In Lesson 2.1, we saw how Streamcat persists a user to the database in the handler for the /register endpoint within the application. In this lesson, we'll see how the Streamcat application uses the AWS SDK for JavaScript to create an Amazon IVS channel for a user. To create a channel for the new user, we invoke the CreateChannel method of the channel service inside of the /register endpoint handler. The CreateChannel method uses the IVS client from the AWS SDK for JavaScript and sends a CreateChannelCommand. The CreateChannelCommand input object requires a name, which is the same as the username property of the user object. The input object also contains a type property, which defines the type of input and output for the channel. More on this property in just a bit. The recording configuration ARN is a reference to the pre-built and shared recording configuration resource and is retrieved from the application's environment variables. Refer to Lesson 1.4 to learn more about pre-built resources. In Streamcat, new users are given a basic channel. This means that their video is transmuxed, which means that Amazon IVS delivers the original input quality to viewers. The viewer's video quality choice is limited to the original input. Input resolution can be up to 1080p, and bitrate can be up to 1.5 megabits per second for 480p, and up to 3.5 megabits per second for resolutions between 480p and 1080p. Original audio is passed through. Later, when a channel reaches a certain threshold, we can modify this channel type for more prolific content creators. See our documentation to learn more about the differences between different channel types in Amazon IVS. The /register endpoint handler collects the channel properties returned in the CreateChannelCommand output object, constructs a channel entity, and associates that entity with the user. In this lesson, we learned how the Streamcat application creates an Amazon IVS channel for each user and associates that channel with the user. With this information, we'll be able to provide the user with dedicated credentials to broadcast to their own channel from third-party broadcasting software, as well as create a custom broadcast experience for users within the Streamcat application. We'll learn more about broadcasting in Lesson 3 of this course. In the next lesson, we'll learn how to create a chat room for each user.